How to add Stripe to Shopify 2024 updated. So if you want to quickly go ahead and add Stripe to your Shopify in the easiest way, trust me, this video is for you. So to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be logging in with your Shopify account. Now, as we log in, what's going to happen is that we're going to be taken to the basic Shopify dashboard where it's going to bring us here. Now, most people, what they do, they find Stripe on different things like the payment methods. So let's say they're going to go into apps, you can go into the App Store. So I'm going to open that up for you. Or some people try to go in settings and they're going to go into the payment section and they're going to try to find things in providers. They might find a Stripe provider, if Stripe provides any type of checkout or gateway. Now, the thing is, Stripe will provide it for you as a third-party payment provider, okay? And you can authorize things pretty easily as well. But the issue that's caused with this is that you might need to, change your region for Shopify, and that could be an issue. Now, it's also going to secure your account with a phone number, so it might send you a text. If you don't want to go with that, you might want to use a security key. So it might do those issues. Now, that's one way to add Stripe, by just choosing it as a third party payment provider. And most of the cases, it's either only available in countries like US or Canada. It's not available anywhere else. Now, if you want to get to know a proper way to add Stripe, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come to stripe.com. Now, this, in my opinion, is the best way to add Stripe as a payment provider. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a Stripe account, log in with it. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. And once we go to the dashboard, I'm also going to come here into my online store. And I'm going to go ahead and go to customize. Now, while this is getting into customize, I'm going to come here. And once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to payments. And once you come over to payments, it's going to give you a lot of things over here, right? So we're going to choose this, share a link to a checkout page. So we're going to come here and we're going to load this in. As it loads in, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to share ourselves a link for a checkout page. So let's say I have this product, right? And I'm going to create a link for this product. So you're going to confirm your password. And once your password is confirmed, it's going to create a link that you are going to be sharing with yourself. And I'm going to come here to this product. Okay, I'm going to open it up. And now we're over here. I'm going to copy this link. Okay. And once I have done that, I'm going to bring it here. Okay, as you can see, the product's loading in and stuff. So this is my buy it now button, right? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and remove this buy it now button. And to remove this buy it now button, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding a new button for yourself. So to add a new button for yourself, you're going to choose the buy buttons. There we go. And I'm simply going to go ahead and delete these. So once these are deleted, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and add your very own buy now buttons, right? So you can either add text, SKUs, pop-ups, icons, and all those things. But I'm gonna add my very own buy buttons. And once you add your very own dynamic buy buttons, they are gonna appear in your page like this. So what you're gonna do, or in my case, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be going ahead and hyperlinking these buttons. And even if you don't want to go ahead and do that, you can simply add buttons or add different sections of buttons into your store. So let me show you how that works. So you can simply come here, okay? And once you come here, it gives you a whole splatter of buttons to choose from. It gives you a whole splatter of things to get for yourself. And even in your sections, or even if you use your apps, you can get different buttons to hyperlink things with. So what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to be hyperlinking this link that you get with your buy button over here or with any image that you get over here. So let's say if this is the image, you can add a hyperlink for this link. And if people click that, you're going to click on paste and go. Like even if people click on that hyperlink, they're going to come to this page. And look at that. This is where they can carry their transactions out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.